Hi everyone, welcome to Passion for Purple. This is a collab hosted by MetalScrappinChick, who is Kim. Hi Kim. And it doesn't have to be jewelry. Others might be doing paper crafts or knitting or crocheting or whatever. I don't know, but I'm doing jewelry every month for this. So this month I was looking through purple stuff and I found a pack of 7 beads, purple quartz marquise gemstone bead strand. They were from Auntie's in 2014, so I don't know if they're still available, but this was the number PQZ 13 by 25, which is actually the size of their marquise. They are quartz. They have purple in them, but they also have black in them. So I used 5 on the necklace and 2 on the matching earrings. And then these were from Beadbox Bargains. They're 10mm rhinestone crystal sparkle beads in lilac from 2017, and there were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 of them. Oh yeah, I wrote it on there, 10 of them. So I finished them up too. I used 8 on the necklace and 2 on the earrings. And then these black beads are Black Obsidian. Sorry for the crinkling. They are 8mm rounds, and they were B- quality from Fire Mountain. And I've had them for I don't know how long, a long while. I still have a lot of those left. I only used a few. I just felt like I needed something to bring the black out that's in the beads. I didn't use it on the earrings, however. And then these crystals are Chinese crystal. They are Crystalzy, which I bought at Michael's in 2012. They were a cousin brand called Lilac Bicones. So lilac and lilac. And then these are purple, but they sort of have a lilac feel, I think. Anyway, I had 3 cards of those with 18 beads on each, and I have about 16 or 17 left off the last one that I opened that I needed for the, I actually needed 1 for the dangle here, and so I think I have 17 left. And then I used a hematite color, gunmetal color lobster claw. These were from BB Craft. Yes. Here's the number if you're interested in those. The Palloy number. I think, I don't remember. I think I bought them actually. They weren't a freebie. And then the extender chain also was from BB Craft, a necklace extenders, and there's that number. And I'm sorry if you hear, see they have like a gunmetal color. I'm sorry if you hear noise in the background, but my neighbors are building an extension on their garage, which is right outside my window. Also for the necklace, I used Soft Flex's 49 strand purple amethyst beading wire. And then on the earrings, I used Beading 20 gauge round German style wire. And to do the wire through the beads, I used the largest wire that would fit through the beads, through these beads, and because these have a pretty big hole, and these would fit 20 gauge easily as well. And then the lobster claws came from Fire Mountain too, and I just twisted that one somehow. There we go. Anyway, those are my makes for Passion for Purple. I hope you like them. Oh, the necklace is 16-inch extendable to about 18-inch with the lobster claw. I did use also crimp beads from Soft Flex in the antique silver color, which is like a gunmetal color. And let's see, a closed jump ring, 7mm here for the lobster claw from Deb Houck, and an open 6mm to attach the chain, also from Deb Houck. And I couldn't find a gunmetal or hematite color head pin, although I'm sure I have some somewhere. And anyway, so I just used a silver 1.5 inch, and that was from Fire Mountain Gems for the little bead dangle. That's it for this month, folks. That's all I got made. So I hope you'll go check out Kim at MetalScrappinChick, and then whoever is listed below her video, and I'll try and copy them into mine as well. and go visit and see what they've made this month. All right, take care and have a great week, month, fall, winter. See you soon. Bye.